Do you want to know how you can log into your Wiise Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Wiise Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser, go and search for Wiise Payroll Login, and then click on the first link which appears on your screen. After you click on the first link, it will take you to the official login portal of Wiise Payroll. The first step is to write down your email address. Go ahead and enter your email address in the first box, go to the second box and write down your password associated with your account. And then go ahead and check your password once and then click login. This way, you can successfully log into your Wiise Payroll account. And if in case you have forgotten your password, don't you worry, because you can click on this link and you can reset your password quite easily. So guys, this is how you log into your Wiise Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.